Hi, so in this video we're going to be running through a simple change request in Zendesk showing how the SweetHawk Approve app can facilitate the flow. So the workflow we'll be running through is that an employee will submit a request for access, a Zendesk ticket will be created, it'll automatically be sent for approval, and once received, it'll automatically be assigned to have the new access applied. To kick things off, we're going to pretend that we're an employee working for a fictional hotel company who requires access to a deliverables folder for a project that she's working on. In order to complete the ticket, all we do is fill in the fields that have been defined for this type of request. Once we've submitted the request, we'll always have access to see the progress through the portal, and we'll also receive email updates. From the IT desk perspective, we'll see that the ticket's being created in our view like so. Now, normally when a ticket is created in Zendesk, its status is set to new, so agents know which tickets need to be worked on. But in this case, the SweetHawk Approve app has a predefined workflow setup that means the status of this ticket is automatically set to an on-hold state. Now, it's in an on-hold state because when the ticket was created, it automatically took the data that was submitted by Jemima and sent it for approval by these three approvers. So it's waiting for those approvers to action the ticket before anything else can happen. From an approver's perspective, I can action an approval either via the ticket or via email. When we action it in the ticket, you can see that the number of required approvers has now decreased from 2 to 1. We can also see my comment being updated automatically in the thread of the ticket. Note that approvers do not need to be agents in Zendesk, and you can have an unlimited number of approvers. All they need is access to their email. When I respond from a different approver's email account, I can see the details of the approval that I've been sent and click to make a decision. When opening the approval portal, I can see a full history of what happened on the approval already, including any previous decisions, and add my comment. Back on the ticket, I can see that the approval has now been granted and a bunch of other things are automatically taking place on the ticket as part of the flow. There's a public comment letting Jemima know that her request has been approved, and the ticket has automatically been set to an open status and reassigned to the work orders team with a comment letting them know what needs to be done. The final steps of this flow being for the work orders team to grant the access and provide a public comment letting her know. So that completes our simple change management flow. If you have any questions, email us at support@sweethawk.com. Thanks for watching.